We're making gochujang pork bowls. Spicy, sticky, a little sweet, done in 20 minutes. Let's go. Start with 2 1/3 pounds of ground pork in a hot pan, and I mean hot, high heat. Let it sit for 2 minutes without touching it. That crust on the bottom is flavor. Don't throw it away by stirring too early. While that's going, mix your sauce. 3 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Stir it together now because once this pan gets moving, it moves fast. Pork is browned. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. Give it 1 minute. Your nose will tell you when it's ready. Pour the sauce over, toss to coat, drop the heat to medium, and let it simmer for 2 minutes until it goes thick and glossy. Right before you pull it off, hit it with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Off the heat. Never cook sesame oil. You'll kill the flavor. Now the toppings. I'm doing thinly sliced mini cucumbers and ribbon cut carrots. Cool, crisp, a little crunch against that spicy pork. It makes the whole bowl. Don't skip them. This is the difference between a good bowl and a great one. Fry 1 egg per bowl. Medium heat for 30 seconds. White set, yolk runny. That yolk is the whole moment. When it breaks over the pork, that's your shot right there. Real quick, before we build, I know some of you are watching this and thinking you don't really have time to cook during the week. I get it. But 20 minutes is 20 minutes. You spend longer scrolling, looking for something to watch. Bet on yourself a little. You're worth the effort. Okay. Bowl. Rice down first, pork on top, cucumbers on one side, carrots on the other, egg right in the center. Green onions and sesame seeds over everything. That's it. For the full written recipe, head to KELVIN'Skitchen.com. Link is in the description. Make this tonight and tell me about it in the comments. Until the next one.